We have aluminum plus iron 2 plus I don't know, this doesn't look correct, but let's see. We have aluminum 3 plus iron. Okay, like I said, it doesn't look correct to me. This is supposed to be charged. Iron 2 maybe to iron 3. Maybe it's a mistake, I don't know, but I have to confirm that first before I take it out. So this is aluminum is 0, move to aluminum 3, that's oxidation. Iron 2 move to, okay, maybe it's correct. Let's see why we solve. Because by the rules of oxidation and reduction, it is applicable, therefore it could be correct. All the while, I know that we have an iron 2 and iron 3, seeing just iron that is 0 somehow. But then, let's check it out. So oxidation and reduction. Now, oxidation is the increase in the oxidation number. So aluminum is 0 here, increases to aluminum 3 plus, that's oxidation. While reduction is a decrease in the oxidation number, which is iron 2 plus decreases to iron 0. So that is the rule. It is beautiful. So the next thing is, what is oxidation? Loss of electron. How many electrons? 3, from 0 to 3. So aluminum lost 3 electrons to give us aluminum 3 plus. Reduction is the gain of electron. How many? 2, from 2 to 0, or 0 to 2. So I have iron 2 plus gain 2 electron to give me iron. So by that, I know that the charges are not the same. This is 2 and this is 3. I have to balance. So this is equation 1. I'll bring this one here. Aluminum, 3 electron, aluminum 3 plus. This is equation 2. So let's see. This whole equation will be multiplied by 2, and all of this will be multiplied, all of this equation will be multiplied by 3, and all of this will be multiplied by 2. So this times 3. So I have 3 iron 2 plus. 2 times 3 is 6 electron. This times 3, 3 iron. This multiplied by 2. 2 aluminum minus 6 electron multiplied by 2, 2 aluminum 3 plus. So we take the reactant and the product. So here I have 3 Fe2 plus plus 2 aluminum will give us 3 Fe plus 2 aluminum. Charge 3 times 2 is 6, 2 times 3 is 6, so it's balanced. We continue. Gradually, we solve plenty. When we have a broad spectrum, it makes it easy. So let's take this out and take another question. Okay, our seventh question here. This is also complex. Bromine charge plus MnO4 minus plus hydrogen plus give me Mn2 plus water plus bromine molecule. Remember, wherever you see molecule that's subscript 2, you know that in the course of balancing, the other two will have, you transfer the 2 to them too. So first of all, we bring out our oxidation and reduction. But also in the question, it looks tricky. The one we've been solving all the time, we have 2 variables. Now we have 3. Here we have 3. But we just follow our basic principle of arrangement, arranging the oxidation and the reduction. By oxidation is the increase in the number of electrons. So, by increasing the number of electrons, we have this is minus, it moves to 0. So it was less and it increases. So I have bromine minus to bromine molecule. Here, this is 7 and this is 2, decrease. I have NNO4 minus decreases to NN2 plus. And also I have hydrogen 1 decreases to 0. I will put it this way, hydrogen plus to water. So this side reduction, we have 2 variables that decreases, so I have to include them. Now, the beauty is that in my course of balancing this, remember I'm going to add water and hydrogen. Water this side, hydrogen this side. So I do not need to touch this or do anything with it. I will naturally have to infuse them in the equation as I proceed. So, but then, let's see. We say oxidation is the loss of electron. Bromine charge lost 2 electrons because of these 2 here to give us bromine molecule. That 2 must also be here. Now, reduction is the gain of electron. I have NNO4 minus gain 5 electron, 7 to 2 is 5, to give me NN2 plus. Now, that water and hydrogen will be introduced in my next step. So now I have 4 moles of oxygen. I have to introduce 4 moles of oxygen here. 4 moles of oxygen here by bringing what? 4 moles of water. So I now have NNO4 minus plus 5 electron to give me NN2 plus 4 moles of water. Alright, this is 2. Let's write it well. Now, this one has been introduced. This left. Now I have to introduce 8 hydrogen this side. So this guy will now be balanced this way. I have NNO4 minus plus 5 electron plus 8 moles of water to give us Mn2 plus 4 moles of water. So by this you see that the hydrogen and the water molecule have been introduced into the equation. So that is just it. Let's proceed. We now know that the number of electrons here are 5 and the number of electrons here are 2. So what we're going to do, we have to balance them. Simultaneous equation. So this is equation 1 and this 2Br minus loss 2 electron to give us Br molecule. So this is equation 2. I will multiply. This equation will be multiplied by 2. This equation will be multiplied by 5. So this by 2. So I have 2NNO4 minus plus 10 electron plus 16 hydrogen. So I multiply by 2. This times 2 is 2NN2 plus 4, no, times 2, 8, plus 8 moles of water. Now this will be multiplied by 5. 2 times 5 is 10 Br minus 10 electron. It was 5 times 5 Br2. So from here I have to take out the reactant and the product. So permit me to plan this. The reactant, I have 2MnO4 minus plus 16 hydrogen plus 10 bromine gives us 2Mn2 plus 8 moles of water plus 5 bromine molecule. Now, balancing. This is minus 2 plus 16 minus 10. This is just 4. So let's see. Minus 2 minus 10 is minus 12 plus 16 is 4. Alright, so this is correct. 4:4. So this is the final answer. The equation is balanced.